Hey guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a fun makeup look with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Of course, this palette has been seen all over YouTube. It was just like the biggest social media thing of 2017. I literally woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning so that I could get this palette when it came out. I wanted to do just like a fun little look with the palette and kind of like a get ready with me. It's not going to be a talk through just because there's so much noise going on outside of my apartment complex that I literally would have to stop every 5 seconds. So I'm sorry, it's going to have to be a voiceover, but hopefully you guys get some fun tips and let me know in the comments if you like videos like this. I would love to make more. Makeup tutorials are definitely my favorite thing to do, so let me know down below. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. So if you'd like to see a tutorial on this makeup look, then keep watching. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to put the hair back for makeup application. The next, we're gonna prime the skin. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is the color adjusting green one, which I love for color correcting. Also, my tan was so bad here, so just ignore that. Then I'm gonna go in and prime my eyes. I'm using the Cover FX Anti-Age Smoothing Eye Primer. I love this stuff, it's so good for priming. Then of course we need to take a little drink and pet the dog just to relax a little bit. I'm gonna put a little balm on just to prep the lips. Then I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. Also, my beauty blender was cracked and gross and I wanted to show you guys, look inside. I've had this beauty blender forever and it's not even that bad. It wasn't even that gross. So usually I see people pump these directly on the skin, so I wanted to give that a try. I don't think I love that way of applying though. I think I'm just gonna stick with applying it to my beauty blender and then applying it to my face. There's just like something about the control that I like. Always make sure you are using your beauty blender damp and you are pouncing the product into your skin. The next product we'll be using is Benefit's Boi-ing Airbrush Concealer. I just take my finger and use that to apply underneath my eyes. I feel like the skin really warms up the product and it helps with application. And then I will just go in with my beauty blender after and blend the product out and blend it into my skin. Next up is the Nye Banana Powder. I just use this to set my under eye concealer to keep those creases away from underneath my eyes. I usually do this as soon as I'm finished with my concealer just to guarantee that I don't get any creasing under my eye. This product is really good for that. Next up is the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and using the power of editing, boom, eyebrows. As you can tell here, I'm very excited about the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm so happy to get it, but before we do that and start applying, look at all those colors, they're amazing. Before we do that, I'm going to clean off my brushes a little bit. I'm using the Sephora Color Switch by Mona, and this is really, really good just for cleaning your brushes really quickly. So I'm gonna go in with that first shade called Beam, and I'm just going to apply it over my lids. Then next I'm going in with Silk Cream, and I'm just going to push that into the creases of my eye just to give a little bit of dimension. Next I'm going in with Creamsicle, and I'm going to add that into the crease of my eye just to give even more dimension. There's gonna be a lot of dimension in this look, guys. After buffing and blending those colors out, I'm gonna go in with Roxanne, and I'm going to add that into my crease as well. We wanna make sure the crease has a lot of dimension and a lot of different layers just to kind of give it that smoky sunset look. Next, I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush. We want to make sure that we are really blending those layers so we get that really pretty gradient look. Blending is so, so important for every eye look, you guys. Blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to go in with the color Buns, and I'm just going to use a flat top brush. This one's just from Sephora, and I'm just going to place that in the outer corner of my eye and really, really layer up on that product and get that pigment going. This is such a pretty color, and I am obsessed. I'm gonna go in again and blend those colors out. Then I'm gonna go in with SVN, and I'm just going to put that in the first corner and the middle of my eyelid. And I'm just going to layer on a few different layers of that, just so that it's very pigmented and very bright. Blend out again, back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Then I'm gonna go in, I got this little Marc Jacobs eyeliner to test out, but to be honest, I was not in love with it. I just didn't think it was very pigmented and didn't love it. So instead, I switched to my LA Girl Glide eyeliner, which is sort of my ride or die and never lets me down, and I love it. Then I went in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, which is amazing. I just did a pretty subtle wing here, nothing too crazy. The way I do my eyeliner is I usually will just apply to the top lid first, and then I do a little line extending out from my bottom of my eye, and then I connect the top of it, if that makes sense. Then of course we had to go in with some lashes. Here's me applying eyelash glue very intensely. Make sure after you apply the glue, you give it a couple of seconds to get tacky before you apply the lash. I like to apply the lash going from the top down and resting it onto my eyelashes. I also don't recommend using a tweezer unless you're somebody who's very comfortable and very used to putting on falsies. It makes it a little bit more difficult. Next up, take a little drink, do a dance, get the blood flowing. We are almost there, y'all. Next, going in with L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. I absolutely love this mascara. It's really, really nice. Also, why do we make these weird faces when we put mascara on? Why do we do this? It's so strange. Next, I'm going to go in with Nars Laguna bronzer. I love this bronzer. I feel like it's a staple in everybody's makeup bag and it works great. Next, I decided to use this new little product that I purchased from CVS. It is an MUA Professional Fan Brush. I thought it did a pretty good job applying the highlighter. I ended up using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal, which is, of course, everyone knows, a total ride or die highlighter product. And I ended up liking the brush. I ended up liking the application. It was light, but I thought it still looked good. Of course, we have to go in and highlight the nose. I love a good nose highlight. Don't at me. Went in with a Lise Watier lip liner. This color is soft pink. And then I used the Marc Jacobs lipstick, which I got in that same little tester kit. And this is the color Slow Burn. I really, really love this color. To finish off the lip look, I went in with Marc Jacobs' Sugar Sugar Enamored lip gloss. I love this lip gloss, you guys. It's amazing. And last, we're just gonna take the hair down. I ended up straightening my hair that day, so I didn't have to do much, but this is the completed look. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for me today. As always, please subscribe down below if you like this video and if you'd like to see more from me. I also wanted to ask really quickly if you guys would be interested in me starting to do daily vlogs. I know that I would love to kind of take you guys around on my day-to-day. I just don't know if that would be interesting to you guys, so definitely let me know in the comments down below. And of course, follow me on my social media pages, which I will also link down below. All right guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week and I will see you in the next video. Bye.